Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for all you dreadlock enthusiasts out there. It's the more crazy conditioning shining braiding gel with extra extreme hold. Now, before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our honest product reviews. And if you're on the journey to perfect dreadlocks, you're in the right place. Alright, let's talk about this amazing product. It's the more crazy conditioning shining braiding gel with a promise of extra extreme hold and no buildup. This is the go-to choice for maintaining your dreadlocks without any fuss. First off, it's packed with argan oil, known for its nourishing properties. This means your scalp gets the love it deserves while promoting hair growth, a win-win situation. What makes this gel truly special is its clear formula. You heard that right, it's clear. That means no worries about affecting your hair color. You can achieve your desired styling without any interference. Wondering how to use it? It's a breeze. Apply a small amount of gel to damp or dry hair, especially at the roots or hairline. Whether you're braiding, twisting, or doing any other styling, this gel has got your back. Now, there are some competitors out there, but the more crazy conditioning shining braiding gel stands out because it delivers on its promises. Plus, it's Amazon's choice. But wait, don't just take my word for it. Check out these user reviews on Amazon. It's got a solid 4.4 star rating with over 350 reviews, and people are loving it. Users have been raving about how it doesn't irritate the scalp, provides great hold, and has a fantastic scent. It's perfect for braids, twists, and more. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users mentioned that the 3.38 fluid ounces size is a bit small, so keep that in mind if you're planning to use it frequently. But there are other options out there, like Let's Jam, Shining and Conditioning Hair Gel, and Luxe Fume Braiding Gel. Each has its unique features, so choose the one that suits your needs best. So, there you have it, folks. The more crazy conditioning shining braiding gel is a fantastic choice for those with dreadlocks, or anyone looking for a reliable styling gel. With its nourishing argan oil formula, extreme hold, and no flake promise, it's truly a game changer. Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish and keep those locks looking flawless.